In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect Outlook to Server. If Outlook is having trouble connecting, don't worry. In many cases, this is a simple issue that can be fixed with a few basic checks and one built-in repair option. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, give it a moment to load fully. Sometimes Outlook may appear disconnected right away, or it may take a few seconds before you notice that it isn't syncing properly with the server. Before changing any settings, the first thing you should do is make sure your internet connection is working just fine. Outlook depends on a stable connection to communicate with the mail server, so if your Wi-Fi or network is down, Outlook won't be able to reconnect. You can quickly check this by opening a browser and loading a website. If the internet is slow or not working at all, fix that first before moving on. Next, try restarting your computer. This may sound simple, but it can sometimes resolve the problem by refreshing background services, clearing temporary glitches, and allowing Outlook to reconnect properly when the system starts back up. After the restart, open Outlook again and see whether it reconnects to the server normally. If you're still having the problem, the next step is to use Outlook's account repair feature. With Outlook open, click File in the top left corner. This will take you to the account information area where you can manage settings related to your email. From there, click Account Settings. A menu will appear, and you'll want to click Account Settings again. This opens the window that lists the email accounts currently set up in Outlook. Now, click on your email account to highlight it. Once it's selected, look for the Repair option and click it. The Repair tool is designed to fix common account connection problems, especially if Outlook is no longer communicating correctly with the server. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen and let the repair process complete without closing Outlook in the middle of it. When the repair is finished, Outlook may try to reconnect automatically. Give it a minute and check whether your emails begin syncing again. If everything looks normal, then the connection issue has likely been resolved. That's how to reconnect Outlook to Server using a few simple troubleshooting steps and the built-in repair option.